Hey guys, Jacqie here. Today's video is another haul. So if you like beauty related content like hauls, tutorials, and shop with me's and all kinds of beauty related content, then make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And next to the subscribe button is a little bell. Ring the bell and you will become part of the hashtag notification nation, and YouTube will alert you as soon as my videos go up. Okay, so like I said, today's video is another haul video. My girl Christina, hey Christina, she hooked me up with some CColor cosmetics, and yeah, so that's the haul that I'm gonna be showing you today. Christina is a friend of mine that I met through YouTube, and she also has two YouTube channels. She has a discounting channel where she does lots of like Dollar Tree hauls, Ross hauls, TJ Maxx, all kinds of discounted store hauls. And she also has a vlog channel. So if you are interested in those types of videos, then go down in my description box and you will see her links down there. So yeah, head on over, let her know I sent you, and yeah, check her out. Okay, yes, that is what I wanted to say. Now let's get into this lovely haul. All right, so it is bubble wrapped. So let's take it out of the, take it out, and yeah, take it out the box, unwrap it. Bubble wrap. My son loves to pop bubble wrap. When is bubble wrap going to be a thing that we get rid of? Isn't that plastic as well? Curious. I got rid of plastic bags in New York State, and yeah, so I'm just, you know, what about the rest of the plastics? Anyways, let's not get into that, shall we? All right, so the first palette, and these, you can find all of these on CColorCosmetics.com. I believe that is the website. Yes, CColor Cosmetics. Okay, so the first one, they all come in these little plastic sleeves, and the first one is the Juicy palette, which I believe is a dupe for one of the Kylie palettes. I'm not sure which one because I'm not. But the inside looks like this. Let me turn down that ring light. Hello. Okay, ring light is turned down. Okay, so this is it, and the inside looks like that. It has a plastic cover that you peel off to get, you know, to the shadows. And so pretty. CColor Cosmetics is like a really, I don't know if you haven't heard of it, it is like a really, really affordable cosmetic brand. And what is happening to my voice? And yeah, so they're like super affordable, like $8 palettes, $12. I mean, they're really cheap. And I don't know if any of you guys watch Hot Mess Mama MD, but she does a lot of Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money, and she does a lot of CColor Cosmetics because they dupe a lot of other brands. And so yeah, you should check her out as well. I will link her in the description box as well. So yeah, but this is Juicy. We're not gonna put the plastic sleeve back on. Okay, the next one is Fantasy Glow Kit, which, see, these are plastic too. I don't understand. Okay, Fantasy Glow Kit, and this is a highlighting palette. As you can see, there's like a white one, a pink, a peachier, well, that's more of a lighter pink, neutral light pink. This is more of a peachy. a yellow, and a purpley highlighter. So these will be fun to play with. So yeah, that is the Fantasy Glow Kit. The next one, I know what this one is a dupe for. This is the Around the World palette, and this is a dupe for Urban Decay's. Oh my gosh, I just had it. What is it a dupe for? Born to Run. Born to Run. Okay, so the Around the World palette is a dupe for the Urban Decay's Born to Run palette. Anyways, so the inside looks like this. I'm holding it at an angle because if I don't, you won't be able to see it because of the lights, because of the plastic cover here. But yeah, this is beautiful. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. So there's the Around the World palette. I almost called it the Born to Run palette. Okay, so, and this next one actually comes in a box, and I believe this is supposed to be a dupe for Jeffree Star's Blue Blood palette, but I'm not 100% sure on that one, so don't quote me. Okay, this is the Blue Sky palette, and I'm going to open the box and take it out. Oh, this is different. Okay. Oh. Comes with a little paper cardboard protector thing around it. That's interesting. All right, cool. You really don't want these to break in shipping. Okay. So yes, it looks like this. Let's open it up. Oh, look at it. They put the name of the shadows on the plastic thing, which is going to get thrown out. So I just point to the shadows anyways. But yes, it looks like these. Down here is like, this is a black color. That's a dark green and that's a dark blue, in case you can't see it. Oh, heck yeah, let's do that. Hey, that's better. See, the other ones are like stuck to the palette, so you have to peel them off. But yeah, so that's the Blue Sky palette. Okay. Maybe I'll tape this to the lid or something, so I know the name of the shadows. Not that it really matters, because I just point to them anyways. But okay, and the next one is, this is last, but of course not least, this is the Lust in Paris palette. And we'll take this one out of the box as well. Oop. Yep. Okay, so it looks like this. Let's open it up. Also, names are on the plastic sheet. Yeah, let's show you. Oh, this is pretty. Look at these beautiful colors. The neutrals are just gorgeous. They're all like neutral type colors. That is a beautiful color. Oh, that green almost matches my new vehicle. So that is the Lust in Paradise palette. Oh my goodness. Ooh. So that is the CColor Cosmetics haul. Let me know what you're most interested in seeing. The Lust in Paris, Blue Sky, Around the World, the Fantasy Glow Kit. I will definitely be testing out with, with one of these palettes, I'm sure, or a Juicy. So yeah, let me know which one you find interesting, that you would like for me to see, that you would like to see from me. That's what I meant to say. Okay, so that is it for this video. I do have a St. Patrick's look coming. I do need to change the background to the green. I forgot to do that this past weekend, but I will be doing it today. And yeah, that is it for this video. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. And also check the description box for those links to Hot Mess Mama MD, and of course my girl Christina. Thank you, Christina. And yeah, I hope you will return for future videos, because you're gonna want to see all these plus the ColourPop haul. So yeah, I hope you will come back for future videos, and I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!